In Excel, we can open several workbooks and arrange them side by side to see all of them at the same time. To illustrate, I will open 4 workbooks. I select Sales 2009, Sales 2010, Sales 2011, and Sales 2012. Then I click Open. We can see that the workbook name Sales 2012 is displayed on the top of the Excel window. This means that the information we are now looking at belongs to the Sales 2012 workbook. To see all of them at the same time, we need to follow the steps shown on the screen. So, I first click the View tab. Second, I click Arrange All. As you can see, the window named Arrange Windows shows up displaying 4 options. Third, I select Tiled. Finally, I click OK. As you can see, you can compare and work in all the open files at the same time. Now, I follow the same steps and select the option Horizontal. As you can see, the 4 workbooks have been arranged horizontally. Now, I follow the same steps and select the option Vertical. As you can see, the 4 workbooks have been arranged vertically. Now, I'll follow the same steps and select the option Cascade. As you can see, the 4 workbooks have been arranged overlapping each other.